Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Brian. Today we are students from UTHM. We would like to make an interview with you for our assignment.
Okay, hi, good afternoon, everyone. Nice to meet you all.
Next. Okay, next slide.
Okay, hello, Mr. Brian. My name is KIAT, and you can call me Chia. So, the first question is, what do you decide to become an engineer, and what type of engineer that you work in?
Okay. To answer this question, to be honest, at the beginning, I did not choose engineer as my first choice, but I just enrolled to the course and I slowly enjoyed the problem solving and also I understand how the things work. So yeah, that's how I developed my interest in this engineering. Okay, for about what type of engineer do I work as? I'm working as a control engineer in the electrical and instrumentation field, as well as the construction field.
Okay, so next is, what challenge do you face when choosing or starting your engineering career, and how did you overcome them?
Okay. As a fresh grad back then, I did not think too much. I just enrolled inside the construction field, and then I just at the starting of my career, I did struggle, and then I found it very challenging to cope with the heavy workload. But I somehow just focus on finishing the task, and by to overcome this, I actually stayed hungry, and then I'm eager to learn, so that motivates me through the tough times.
Okay, so
yeah,
which engineering field are currently in high demand?
As far as I know right now, as the innovation is rapidly rising, I think software engineering, IT, and then renewable energy will be higher demand right now.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, it's my part now. And for the first question, I want to ask how much of your work involve technical tasks compared to working with people?
I would say 60% is technical and then 40% is working with people.
In your opinion, which one is important for you?
Actually, this question, right? I think both are equally important. A strong technical work will be a good foundation for the career, and however, the communication or teamwork is also important. If I were to choose, I would choose communication or teamwork because often deal with people. So it requires clear coordination and also collaboration for technical solutions and ideas.
Okay. Yeah. For the second question, in your role, how do you ensure that your works protect public health, safety, and welfare?
We have to comply to the regulations set by the authority and then the safety codes. And for me, I would prioritize on safety first because I always believe that safety comes first.
Okay. So for the third question, in your opinion, for the next 10 to 20 years, which engineering field will have more market demand?
With the innovation and also technology rising, I would say software engineering, AI, and green energy will be growing the fastest.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Brian. I'm Reggie Ting. Today, I'll ask you some questions about the social and environment rules. In my first question is, how is the field of engineering change over the years?
Oh, okay. On my opinion, I think it is shifting towards automation, digital tools, and also sustainability. So in order to cope with this, I think we have to upgrade ourselves to be ready at all times.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And my second question is do you see your work have a direct impact on society or environment?
Yeah, absolutely. Because our project actually, we in, let's say, construction, we actually build new things and new infrastructure, and that benefits the people, and then it improves their lives.
Okay, the third question is, what social or environmental responsibility do you have think engineer should have?
For this engineer, I think they should design ethically, and then to reduce environmental harm, and also to think long term. We have to be responsible to the environment, and also making sure that the technology serves the people.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Brian. And my part of questioning is complete, so I will hand it on to my friends. Sure.
So my name is Chiu. So the first question I would like to ask is, can you describe any engineering project that you have been involved that might have positive economic or social impact on a community, like surround the community around you?
Okay. Engineering project. Let's say for a building project. Okay. For example, we build a project, and then it would probably develop the area, and then the state and also the district, and this will benefit the public, and then also create more working chances, more opportunities for the public. Yeah.
So the next question would be, what impact does your engineering work have on the environment and local community?
Okay. Actually, I'll talk about the back impacts first, because for the back impacts, I think it will affect the land use, and then energy consumption, and as well as the pollution. But for if you think talking about the good impact, I would say it will be improving our lives.
So my last question would be, how do you factor sustainability and environmental consideration into your engineering decision?
Okay. Let's talk about my experience. I think for me, I would consider material reuse for all the existing projects, like refurbishment projects, and for the new projects, I would consider materials that will be having long-term durability, because that will that's better for the environment.
Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Hello, Mr. Brian. My name is KIAT, and I will ask some question about the to give that advice. For the first one is, have the skill or tools that you use in your job change certification?
Yeah, actually, right now it's moving towards cloud-based. All the platforms like Google, then use the cloud drive, and I think during MCO things changes, and then all the technologies becomes more convenient, and we use those tools to upgrade our working style. Yeah. Then all the softwares are also upgrading. Yeah, I think that benefits us also.
Okay. For the second question, what technology or skill that do you think we need to learn before we graduate?
My suggestion would be try to expose more on learning some basics in codings. Also, some modern software tools like the CAT or simulation tools. Also, not to forget, more importantly, is also the communication and teamwork skills. But this also, it depends on your field of study, because if you're more on CNS, then those coding would be not relevant. Yeah.
For last question of my part is, what suggestion do you have for us on the route to become an engineering?
Oh, okay. To become engineers. Okay. My advice is to be curious, to be hungry for knowledge, and stay adaptable, and try not to be afraid to ask questions, because you can learn more from your seniors, and also don't afraid to make mistakes, because that's how you grow and learn.
Okay. I already complete my part for question. Thank you, Mr. Brian.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's all from us. Okay.
Oh.
I end the recording first.
Okay.